With Copilot Edit, you can quickly remove instances of duplication in your codebase. Let's say you have a website with a paging component implemented twice. You can see the differences between the two implementations here. With Copilot Edit, you can add in the files in question, the two svelte views in this case, and explain what you want done to create a brand new centralized component placed inside the components library with all of the logic centralized inside the component. Also want to make sure that we're using dark mode. Copilot Edit creates the new component and updates the two views to use that brand new component. We can actually see the code being generated right here in real time. We can review all of the changes on the individual files or all at once. Always keep in mind when you're working with AI-generated code, just as with any code, you want to review it. Once we confirm that everything looks good, we can accept the changes and see how our updated pages look. Now let's say we want to make a change. Copilot is designed to work interactively and iteratively. So we return to Copilot Edit and request the desired changes. Just as before, we see Copilot making the necessary updates. We can also see the undo and redo buttons up towards the top, which allow us to move back and forth in the conversation. This allows us to experiment with confidence to ensure we get the code that we need. Once we're satisfied, we select Done, and our project has the brand new component. If you want to learn more about GitHub Copilot, check the link below.